So how to create and connect Metamask to BullX. Now, first of all, make sure you open your browser. Now after that, type Metamask like this. Now and hit enter. Now after that, go to their official website. And after that, click on Get Metamask. Now click on Add to Chrome and add the extension. Now after a while, the extension will add it to our browser. Now after waiting a few seconds, you will be able to create your account on Metamask. And now, as you can see, the download is finished. Now we have the Metamask extension on our browser. So how to show it here? Just click on this extension manager, and now click on this pin to be able to see it here. After that, click on I agree. Now create a new wallet. Now click we will use this data. Now and click on agree. Now enter the password. And re-enter it, and after that check I understand and create a new wallet. Now after that, remind me later. If you want, you can secure your wallet, but for this I just check that. Now click on skip, and now click on done and click next. Done. Now you are willing to use your Metamask. So this is how to create your Metamask. Now how to connect our Metamask to BullX. Now go back to your BullX account, and now from this sidebar click on Wallet Manager. Now after that, click on Add Wallet. So after that, make sure to select this EVM, so Ethereum virtual machine. Now after you select it, now enter the wallet name. It will be Metamask like this. Now how to get the Metamask address? Now just go back to it, and now make sure to if you want to copy it from here, you can. If you have this and you want to access from here to bar, now you can click on it and you can copy it. And after you copy it, go back to your BullX and now paste it here and click on add wallet. Now after a while, as you can see, our wallet is added, but we have to need to wait 3 hours to be able to add it on our BullX. So this is how to create and connect Metamask to BullX. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.